How to create a pie chart with Google Sheets. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, launch your preferred browser and then search for Google Sheets. Now, sign into your account, open blank spreadsheet, insert all the data, and then in order to make a pie chart, go to insert and then go to chart. Now, in this chart type, scroll down and then make pie. After selecting pie, you will have to add values and it will make the pie chart for you. You can also custom it for using percentage by calculating percentage first. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.